What's up, y'all? It's SherrybinC back with another video. Before we get into this video, I just want to thank each and every one of you for clicking on this video. You know, it means a lot to you, girl. But before you do anything else, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell, that way you'll know anytime that I post. Anytime I put up a video, a new vid, a new makeup beauty vid. I did this whole face with nothing but concealer. And if you like what you see, just